It's been years since the Wii first came out, and it is currently the best-selling video game console. Now, my question is this: what will replace the Wii? You know what I like about Nintendo? They're so creative with the names. I mean, NES, Super Nintendo, Nintendo 64, well, also the GameCube. They also came out. The current console from Nintendo is the Wii. That's also a very creative name. I just wanna know. I am not a video game fan. I'm more into movies, but I am subscribed to the Angry Video Game Nerd, and that's one of the reasons why I know about those older systems by Nintendo, so I pay attention to it. That's the reason why I know about the older systems like the NES and the Super Nintendo and the 64. Okay. Now let me ask you guys something. What console do you think will replace the Wii when the Wii becomes discontinued? I am really curious about what console is going to replace the Wii. You know what? I have seen some videos about the next generation. And you know what? Those fake consoles in some videos or so had a console that had the name V2. Come on, man. I don't think they will make a console called the V2. Wanna know why? Because Nintendo has always been creative about the name. They don't make sequel like Sony does with their PlayStation. Well, it's pretty obvious that PlayStation 4 will replace PlayStation 3, but it's not so obvious what will replace the Wii. V2 just doesn't seem... It just doesn't seem real. The name Nintendo Wii 2, it sounds so fake, it's unbelievable. Alright, I'm asking video game fans and fans of Nintendo. Does anyone know which system will replace the Wii? Keep in mind that I accept all rumors. Because it doesn't have to be official. Just tell me your opinion. What do you think will replace the Wii? Thank you for watching and have a great day.